Hello, I welcome all of you to this new video. I have published many videos related with few topics, but this is the only video. The video on a traveling microscope had been viewed many times. The video was presented in Tamil, but one of the comments made by the YouTube viewer, this is the comment. Sir, I can't understand Tamil language, so I partially 80% understood by some formula. But I have doubt that when we can use lower vernier scale from 0 to zero point 0.5 and when can use upper side vernier scale from 0.5 to 1. Please tell me. This is a comment made me to present the video on traveling microscope in English, but I'm not a teacher of English, but so please bear, please please admit if I commit or when I commit mistakes. Okay, when my sentences when my sentence have a lot of flaws. Okay, I'm not a teacher of English, I want to repeat the same thing, so we are interested in the concept. Okay, see, this is the traveling microscope. I'm not going to explain the traveling microscope now. My botheration in this video is how to take reading by using the traveling microscope. Okay, this is the main scale. This is a horizontal scale. This will slide over in this rod. This vernier scale will slide over in this rod. This vernier scale will slide in this main scale through. Okay. Now the question: when we can use a lower scale from 0.5 to 0 to 0.5. See, I'll tell you. This picture will be very clear, I think. See, the question of the comment, the viewer is, they have printed 0.1. This is the arrow mark. This is the 0.1 mark, 0.2 mark, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. Above 0.1, we find 0.6. Point above 0.2, that is 0.7. Above 0.3, 0.8, 0.4, 0.9. Above 0.5, 1. This is the arrow mark. The viewer has asked this one: when we can use this value, when we can use this value, when we can use 0.5, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 and 0.6, but the 0.1, above the 0.1, that is 0.6. Whether we can use 0.1 or 0.6, this is the question. Whether one can use 0.2 or 0.7, this is the question. Okay, I'll come. See, I take this picture number 4, I think, picture number 3. Okay, I take the page number 4, right? Now I take the reading for this one. Okay, right. Now I take the main scale reading. Main scale reading. Main scale reading. Main scale reading and vernier coincidence. See, we can see here. See, this is a arrow, no? The arrow lies between what? Between which number? This is 5. This is 6. These are all in centimeter. These are all in centimeter. Okay, these are all in centimeter. 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter. This is a zoomed image. I have zoomed this image. What about this one? This is 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, 5.5, 5.6, 5.7, 5.8, 5.9, 6. Okay, what about this one? If it is 5.1, what about this one? This is 5.05. This is 5.1. So the every division, what is the value of the gap? The value of this gap is 0.05 centimeter. The gap between 5 and 6 is 1 centimeter. The gap between this and this is 0.1 centimeter. 0.1 centimeter. The gap between this and this is 0.1 centimeter. But this and this, okay, I change the color. The gap between this one and this one is 0.05 centimeter. 0.05 centimeter. Okay, 0.05 centimeter. So this is 5.1. This is 5.05. 5.05. This is 5.1. 5.1. What about this is 5.15. This one is 5.2. This one is 5.25. What about this one is 5.3. This one is 5.35. It will move like this. Okay. Now you don't have any doubt over this number, I think. Right. Now I take this reading. Now I'm going to take the reading for main scale reading. So the arrow of the vernier scale lies between 5.1 to 5.1 and 5.2. 5.1, this is 5.2. In between 5.2 and 5.25. 5.2 and 5.25. 5.25. Okay, now I take, so the main scale readings, which is the least one, 5.2. Take the 5.2 centimeter is a main scale reading. Now we are going to find out the least count of this one. So now the vernier scale coincidence. Vernier scale coincidence. Vernier scale coincidence. Okay, what's vernier scale coincidence? Which one coincide with the main scale? Which line of the vernier scale coincide with any one of the lines of main scale? I take this one, I think. This one, I take this one. Okay, what is the number? 10. This is a 10, 20, 30. The 30 is the coincidence. What is the least count of this scale? 0.01 millimeter. When we convert the 0.1 millimeter into centimeter, the vernier scale least count will be vernier. The least count vernier is equal to 0.001 centimeter, because the main scale is in main scale reading is centimeter, right? Okay, how to take the correct reading? Correct reading is equal to main scale reading plus vernier scale coincidence into least count. Okay, into least count. What is the main scale reading? 5.1. 2 centimeter plus Vernier scale coincidence is 30 into 0.001 centimeter. 0.001 centimeter. 5.2 centimeter plus 30 times 0.001 centimeter will be how much? I take the calculator. 30 times 0.001. How much? 0.03. Okay, 0.03. 0.03 centimeter. Now add this and this. So 5.2 centimeter, 0.03 centimeter. Okay. 5.2, 0.03 centimeter. Okay, these are in centimeter. If we add 3 to 5, 5.23 centimeter, 5.23 centimeter. Okay, right. See, now I am going to give the answer for that question. See, now you listen. This arrow didn't cross this division. This is 0.05 division. This did not pass, but this lies in between 5.2 and 5.25. Okay, this arrow didn't cross the 0.25. If it not cross the this division, I mean the 0.05 division, okay, that time you have to take the lower scale, lower one. What we can do, I took the main reading as 5.2 centimeter. Now which one coincide? 0.3 coincide, 0.3 coincide. So you take this one, not the 30th division coincide. So you take this one, take this one, right? Okay. So 5 point, this should be written as 0.03. This should be written as 0.03. This should be written as 0.03. So 5.23. Okay, I'll go for new picture. Now I explain the same thing again. The arrow is lying between 5.2 and 5.25. The arrow didn't cross 5.25. If the arrow is crossed 5.25, you have to use this one, this reading. You have to do this reading. Suppose if you tell that this is the coincident, instead of 30th division, 10, 20, 30. Suppose one of the viewers, one of the student tell, sir, the 35, the division of 35 constants, this is the coincidence. Okay, if you write 35, this will become what? 0.035. So the reading will be 5.235 centimeter, 5.23 centimeter. Okay. Suppose the 35th division is the coincidence. So this 0.3, this 0.35, this is the 0.35, 0.35. This is 0.35. Okay, this is 0.3, this is 0.35. Okay, so you should take the reading as 0.35 and you have to add with main scale 0.25 and 0.035. 0.235. So reading will be 0.235. You no need to bother about the least count. The correct reading is this one. Straight away you can go 5.2, 5.235, 5.235, 5.235. Okay, I'll go for next reading. If I go to next reading, you may get a more picture on this one. Good. See, now, place this. What about this reading? Okay, what is the main scale reading? 5.1, 5.2, 5.25, 5.25. Okay, it is lying between 5.25 and 5.3. 5.25 and 5.5. 5.3. So we should take the least value, 5.2 centimeter. This is the main scale reading. Okay, 5.2, 5.25, 5.25. Which is which line in vernier scale coincide with any line of main scale? Okay, which one? I just zoom this view. From this image, which is nothing. I think we can tell this one, this one, okay, this one, or the 45th one. Okay, see, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45th one. Coincidence is 45th, 45. Vernier coincidence is 45. Vernier scales coincidence 45. What is the reading of this one? 5.25. If you multiply by 0.001 centimeter, how much it will be? 0.045. If you add this with this, how much will get? 5.25, 0.045. How much will get? 592. Get 5. 5.295 centimeter. 5.295. What is the reading of this one? 5.295 centimeter. See the question he asked me. No, now I go to this is a 5.2. 5. It crosses the 5.2. No, 5.2. What about this one? This is the coincidence, 45th line. Oh, what about the now it crossed what? 0.05 division. If it is crossing 0.05, this is a 0.05 division. This is 0.1 division. 0.1 division. It crossed 0.05 division. In this case, you had to go this upper scale. So what upper scale say? What is the number here? What the number you find here? 0.9, 5.2, 5.25. No, just you leave about this 5. Just 5.2. Don't bother 5.25. Don't about 5.25. You read, take the reading as 5.2. 5.2. Now go here. 9. This is 0.90. 0.9 is 95. This is 95. 0.95. So put 95 here. Put 95 here. Don't bother about this one. See, this is the right way, but we should not spend a lot of time using this method. This method will take a lot of time. It will consume a lot of time. So that we should skip this one. But everyone should understand. This is the basic concept. But once you are familiar with this one, we should not every now and then we should not use this method. Okay, for that you have to go here, take this one. Now I tell you, see, don't bother about this one. Okay, again repeat it. It crossed 5.25. So now you have to take 5.2. The reading is 5.2. 5.2. It crossed it crossed what? 0.505 division. So you go here, go here. This go here. If it is crossed, it crossed this division. Go here. If it is lies between 0.1, 0.5, you should not go here. That time we should read this one. Read this one. Now it is crossed. It crossed 0.05 division. You go here. For the reading, main scale reading 5.2. 5.2. It crossed 5. But you have to tell 5.2. And now you go here. 0.99. This is 95, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Go to this one. No? 99. So 0.95. 0.995. 0.95. This 95 should be taken as 0.095. 0.095. 0.095. Okay, this is centimeter. No, this should be, see, 0.095. 0.095. You add 0.095 with this one. 5.295. 5.295. Okay, I'll go for next reading. Okay, we'll go here. You try, just pause this video, and you try for this answer for this one. Okay? Okay, I'll go here. See, as I told you, no, this arrow crossed 0.5 division, 0.05 division. 1.1, 1.2, 1.2, 1.225, cross 1.25. So you have to take as 1.2 as the main scale, 1.2, 1.2. In this case, what you should do, you have to go to this upper scale one. Now you see the coincidence. Which line of this vernier scale coincide with the main scale of the reading? Which one? Take anything. I think no, nothing is, no line is coincident. But anyway, we have to take any one of reading, any reading, no. Which one? Which is approximate one? I take okay, now I take the second one. No, the vernier coincidence is 2. Vernier coincidence is you have to take this one. No, what about this one? 2. This is 0.6. This is what? 0.06. This is not 0.6. This is 0.06. 0.06. What about this one? 0.06. 0.065. 0.065. Okay, if it is 0.6, what about this one? What about this one? If it is 0.6, no problem. But I tell you, this is the line coincide with the main scale. Now the reading is 1.2. Main scale is 1.2 centimeter. What about the vernier coincidence? Vernier coincidence 2. Vernier coincidence 2. What about the least count? 0.001 centimeter. If you multiply 2 by 0.00, how much you will get? 0.002 centimeter. If you add with this main scale reading 1.2, 0.002, how much you will get? 1.2 1.02. 1.0202. This is the reading you will get. This is the reading you will get. Okay, this is the reading you will get. In this sense, what is the reading for this one? Okay, I just told you, no. See, what is the main scale reading is 1.2. Okay, it crossed 0.05 division. So main scale readings 1.2. Actually, this is a wrong one. This is wrong one. Because we have to consider the, actually, what is the reading of this? It crossed what? 1.25. 1.25. But I didn't mention there point. This answer is wrong. Approach is wrong. See, now how I approach this one. Okay. Right. So, okay, I take this picture. What is the main scale reading of this picture? Main scale reading of this picture. It crossed what? 1.1225. 1.25. It is lying between 1.25 and 1.3. We should take this one, the least value. But as I told you back, if it crosses, if the arrow crosses 0.05 division, we should consider the upper value. In this sense, we are going to approach this one. Okay. In this sense, what we should do, what is the main scale reading is 1.2. We should not bother about this one. 1.2 is the main scale reading, 1.2 centimeter. If it is the 10th divisions above the 0.1, they have printed as 0.6. That's printed 0.6. What about this one? 0.5. 0.5. This, if it is 0.5, this is 0.6. 0.6. It should move like this. If it is 0.1, what about this one? This is 0. If you consider this value, it starts from 0. 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. You can ask, how, sir? How it will? Yes, if you understand this, okay, you will follow this one. It will take more time to speak about this one. This, the arrow, above this arrow, they should print like this. 0.5 should have been printed. 0.5 should have been printed. Down this one, 0 should have been printed. Above 0, 0.5. You can find 0.5. Here also 0.5. 0.5. Okay. Now I go here. What about this one? I told you. Now I tell which is the coincidence. Which line coincide? Which division of which line of the vernier scale coincide with any one of the divisions, any one of the value of the main scale. Now I see. Now I tell you. For me, this is the one. This two. But no, none of the lines are. None of any lines coincide with this one. For this is one thing. So this is the, I don't, what to tell. It's an instrumental mistake, I think. This should not be like this. Completely is the wrong one. If you know completely about the traveling microscope, this is completely wrong one. Now I tell you this one. What I say. This is the number two of the vernier scale is coinciding with the line. Not coinciding. No line is coinciding. So I take this one, approximately this line. I take the 2. The vernier scale coincidence is 2. Now you observe how I take this reading. Above, now we should take the upper value. No, the upper value. It crossed 0.05 division. So 1.2. What about 5? 5.2. What about this one? This value, this is 0.5. This 0.5, no, this is not, actually it is 0.05, 0.05. 0.05. If you consider least count, no? So anyway, 0.5, this 0.52. Is 0.52. So how we should live? We should not take this one. We should not take 0.52. But what? Instead of 0.5, 0.052 is the right one. If it is a millimeter, okay. We are bothered about the centimeter. So 1.052. 1.252 centimeter. 1.252 centimeter. This is the right reading. 1.2, this crossed 1.2, this is 1.1, this is 1.2, 1.2. What about if it is, I told you, if it crosses 0.05 division, we have to consider this one. See, this is 0.6. What about this one? This should have been 0.5. If it has been 0.5, then only this should be as 0.6, 0.7. If it is 0.1, this should be 0. This should be 0. What about this one? 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, 0.05, 0.06, 0.07, 0.08, 0.09, 0.1. So this should be 0.0. It is 0.1. If you consider this as 0.6, this should be 0.5. 0.5. So 1.2, 1.252, 1.252, 1.252. Okay. If it, when we go the right way, right method, the right method is, okay, the main scale is lying between 1.25 and 1.3. 1.3. I take the least value. The vernier scale coincidence is 2. What you should do? You must multiply this one by least count, 1.001 centimeter. How much you will get? 0.0002 centimeter. Now you add with this one 1.25 with 1.002. How much you will get? 1.252 centimeter. That's what we found out easily. Found out easily. I go for the last reading, last one reading. Last 1.2, no. Okay, I'll go for this one. Now you pause this video and go for the answer for this one, right? I do. First, I use the easy method. We use this number, no number. It crossed 5.1, 5.15, 5.115. The reading is 5.1, 5.1. In this case, Wi-Fi 1, what we should do? It crossed 0.05 division. This is 0.05. 0.05. This is 0.1 division. Crossed 0.05. In this case, what you should do? You have to take this upper scale reading. Now you go for the coincidence. Coincidence, which number, which line coincide with this one? I think this is the one coincide. This is the one coincide with it. 0.93. 0.93. 0.93. This is 0.93. This should be considered was 0.093 centimeter. We are taking in centimeter, no. So if it is millimeter, no problem. We are interested with centimeter. So this is 0.093 centimeter. You add this one with this 5.1 centimeter with 0.093 centimeter with 5.1. How much you will get? 0.093 centimeter, 0 centimeter. You add 0 for this one. How much you will get? 5.193 centimeter. We'll go for the tradition method. What about this one? Main scale reading. Right method. What is main scale reading? 5.15. It is lying between 5.1 and 5.2. So 5.15 centimeter. Which is the coincidence? Coincidence is 10, 20, 30, 40, 43. 43 the vernier scale coincidence. 43 the coincidence. You multiply this by the least count, 0.001 centimeter. How much you will get? 0.043. 0.043. I use the calculator. how much? 43 times, see, all clear. Okay, 43 times 0.001, 0.043, 0.043, 0.043. We are right, I think. 0.043 centimeter. Add this with this 5.15, 0.043. Add 0 here. This is centimeter. This is also centimeter. 5193. Okay, right. I think viewers, the YouTube viewers can understand this in a very good manner, I think. I may have used wrong word, because sometime in the concentration, suppose I keep something in mind, but I deliver a different word. This is my problem. But anyway, I think I might not have committed any conceptual mistake, I think. Okay, you can follow, I think. Right? I just present you the other pictures. Finally, I want to tell you how to take the least count of this one in English. Okay, how to take the least count. What is the least count? How we can find what is it? That is, I tell you the least count, the meaning of least count. I tell you the meaning of the least count. What is the meaning of least count is, least count means one main scale division should be subtracted. One vernier scale division should be subtracted from one main scale division. This is the formula for a least count. What is the meaning of this one main scale? This is the one main scale division. What is the one vernier scale division? This is the one vernier scale division. What the meaning of least count is, you have to subtract this value from this value. This is a least count one. This is a scale, no, this is scale. The 0 centimeter, 0, 1 centimeter. The 1 centimeter has been divided into 20 divisions. See, there are 20 divisions. So what about this one? See, this 0, 1, 2. These are all in centimeter. But in our scale, we use the geometry scale. No, in our geometry box, we have a scale. The scale, this 0, this 1. There are only 10 divisions will be here. We can find only 10 division, but here we find 20 division. So what about this one? This is 0.1 centimeter. This is 0.2 centimeter. 0.3 centimeter. What about the if it is centimeter, 0.1 centimeter. If it is millimeter, this is 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter. What about this one in centimeter? 0.05 centimeter. 0.5 centimeter. If it is a millimeter, 0.5 millimeter. How we can calculate this one? This gap is 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter should be divided by 20. How much will get? 1 divided by 2 into 1 by 10 centimeter. What is the value of this one? I take this one as 2 into 10. So I just rewrite 1 by 20 like this. 1 by 2 into 1 by 10. If you multiply 1 by 1, 1. 2 by 10, 10, 20. We'll get the same thing. So for understanding, I write like this. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 10. The value of this one is 0.5 into 1 by 10 centimeter. Now you bring this one here. 0.5 divided by 10. How much will get? The 0 will move 1 point left. 0.05 centimeter. 0.05 centimeter. So this is 0.05 centimeter, 0, 0.05. If you add 0.05, this gap is 0.05, this gap is 0.05. You add 0.05 with 0.05, how much will get? 0, carries 1, 0.1, 0.1. This is 1.1 centimeter, 0.1 centimeter. I think there will be no doubt about this one. Okay. Again, I tell you, what is the meaning of least count is, you have to subtract this value from this value. We know this is 0.05. What about this one? Nothing is printed. Nothing. There is nothing here. Nothing here. This centimeter. What about this one? So what we should do? No, this is not a right picture. I go for the right picture. Okay. This is not. This is also not the right picture. Anyway, we'll try to understand. See, I told you just what least count means: one main scale division minus one vernier scale division. One vernier scale division. I told you, no, this value should be subtracted from this value. This is 0.05. This gap is 0.05 centimeter. What about this gap? We don't know. So what we should do? Now we should we should go for the another way. See, there are 50 divisions. 10, the 1 division, 2, 3, like that. There are 50 divisions. 50 vernier scale divisions. There are 50 vernier scale divisions. So this line should be here, I think. This should be here, I think. This 10, 20, 20, 40, 49. This line should come here. This should have come here. This is the wrong picture. This is not a right picture. Okay? Just imagine. You don't bother about this line. This should be here. So 50 vernier scale divisions are equal to 49 main scale division. Actually, this is the picture taken in the laboratory. This is taken in the laboratory. But we find this type of instruments. This is instrumental mistakes. Okay, I tell you. So 50 divisions are equal. 50 vernier scale divisions are equal to 49 main scale division. 49 main scale division. I want one vernier scale division. What you should do? One vernier scale division is equal to 49 main scale division divided by 50. 50. So one vernier scale division is equal to 49 by 50 into one main scale division times one main scale division. So 49 0.05 centimeter, 0.05 centimeter, 0.05 centimeter. If you multiply 49 into 0.05 divided by 50, how much you will get? So I write it like this. Okay, this can be written like this: 49 by 50 into 0.05 into 100 by 100 by 100. If you multiply this by, okay, I multiply this by 1000 and divide by 1000. So this value will be like this: 49 by 50 times, this will be 50, no? This division, this decimal point will go 3 places to right side. So 50 divided 1000, no? 1000. 50 divided by 1000. Okay, 50 divided by 1000. I'll go for the calculator. This is that will be the better thing. No? How much? 49 into 0.05 by 50. 49 into 0.05. 49 into 0.0, sorry, 05. Okay. 0.0, 49 to 0.05 divided by 50. 0.049. One Vernier scale division is equal to, okay, so I'll tell you next time, no? One Vernier scale division is equal to 0.049 centimeter. One main scale division is equal to 0.49 centimeter minus 0.049 centimeter. If you subtract this value from this value, how much you will get? I'll tell you. Not now, no. It's wrong. This is not 4.5. It's 0.5. Sorry. This is a one Vernier scale division is equal to 0.05 centimeter. You subtract this value from this value, how much will get? You subtract 0.049 from this one. I'll take this calculator. Use the calculator. 0.05 minus 0.49. 0.001. 0.001. This value is 0.001 centimeter. If you convert the 0.001 into millimeter, you'll get what? 0.01 millimeter. This is what it has been printed. This is what they have told. No? Vernier scale division least count is 0.01 millimeter. 0.0 millimeter. This is the least count. What is the least count? I have to subtract this value from this value. This is a very interesting topic.